Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to delete account on Asana. So simply just click on right side upper corner. Now you can see under this tab many options, but we will click on my profile. Now you can see this is your profile. Now again click on right side. Now click on my setting. So under the my settings, these all tabs are available, but we will click on account. Now under the account tab you can see deactivation of your account option is available, so just click on deactivate account. But before you are going to delete your account, read these all instructions here. So if you want to remove your account, you have to read all these instructions before deleting your account. You can also type the reason here. So after typing your main reason here, you can simply click on red button to deactivate your account.